Use a mag jumper to short the heating or cooling call at the control board to isolate whether the thermostat or the system wiring is causing the issue. Begin by turning off power at the service switch or breaker to ensure safety, then remove the furnace or air handler access panel so you can see the control board and terminal strip. A mag jumper is a short insulated lead with an alligator clip on each end, or you can use a short length of thermostat wire with exposed ends. Identify the R terminal for 24-volt power and the Y, G, and W terminals for cooling, fan, and heat calls respectively. If the board labels are faint, consult the equipment wiring diagram printed on the inside panel or the equipment manual. Reapply power, and with one clip on the R terminal and the other briefly touching Y. Observe whether the compressor contactor at the outdoor unit energizes and whether the indoor unit follows. Hold for no more than 5 seconds to prevent compressor short cycling. Repeat by connecting R to G to verify the blower divided by fan relay engages, and R to W to confirm the heat call activates either gas valve, hot surface igniter sequence, or heat pump reversing valve depending on system type. If the expected component responds, the control board and wiring up to that point are functional and the problem is likely the thermostat or its wiring. If nothing happens when you jumper R to a terminal, check for blown fuses on the board, low voltage transformer failure, or a damaged relay. Use a multimeter set to measure alternating current for the compressor contactor coil and 24-volt direct current for control circuit voltage to further isolate faults. Always replace panels and restore covers before leaving the equipment and label any temporary jumpers used so the next technician or homeowner will not leave them installed. 3 common mistakes are shorting terminals while power is on and allowing metal tools to bridge adjacent terminals, which can be avoided by using insulated mag jumpers and only touching the intended terminal. Second, testing with the outdoor unit disconnected or fuse removed so the circuit appears dead, which is prevented by visually confirming outdoor unit wiring and fuses are intact before concluding the board has failed. Third, holding the jumper on a compressor call too long and causing short cycling or tripping overload protection, solved by limiting test duration to brief pulses of 2 to 5 seconds and waiting for the unit's normal restart delay. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project guides that explain diagnostic steps and common fixes for heating and cooling systems. Contractors can create profiles to showcase skills and win leads from homeowners searching for trusted technicians.